Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm playing my brother and sister on the night before winter.
Blizzard.
Oh yeah. Anyways, yeah. Alright guys, we're teleporting. You can't dash for nothing. Anyways guys, we have to survive, so I don't know.
Show me how to play game, guys. Stop.
Come on.
Get any help going?
Open the door.
It was so hard playing on PC, but now it's on my phone, so it's much better.
Hey guys,
Flashlight? Yeah.
so we gotta go get some wood.
Who's gonna be the person to get the wood when it's nighttime?
Me, duh.
What I'm supposed to do?
I'm going to wardrobes.
No, I'm not good at computer.
Fine, I guess I'll do computer.
We'll
Even though
lightning now since we're on phones.
Why I can't get no wood? You don't need that right now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's on the thing.
Yeah, you gotta put
Did
it.
you put it in, Joanne?
Yeah, I'm about to. You know,
I wish I had better footsteps.
you can't pick it up. I got it burned. Now I'll bring some wood.
Don't turn on the TV yet. No.
Sorry.
Oh my
Hey
god.
guys,
Burn me.
I'm literally out.
Really?
Y'all know me in the middle of nowhere, right?
What do you mean we in the middle of nowhere? I guess these are instructions. Oh my god.
It's the fact that I turned nighttime.
Wait, I forgot where the computer at.
Let me do the wardrobe.
I'm not the bathroom. Look at this freaking thing. Closing this door, cause y'all absolutely.
No, don't close the door. I need to go get wood.
I didn't close the door. I'm
Y'all
talking about.
when that big fat monster come in.
When that big fat monster come in here, I'm going in the freaking bathroom. That's why I have it open. Tell me when he coming. I'm going straight to the bathroom, guys. Oh god, guys, look at this picture, bro. Look at him. One of that little monster. And I don't know why I have a jump button. And my PC is absolutely dog water. Guys, let's skip. Let's skip.
I skipped.
Time to munch on some cereal, guys.
I know that cereal zombie.
Shut up.
That's for 6 up till the dearest, oldest.
I haven't even opened the refrigerator.
Wait, open it. I'm trying to go in here. Close it.
Alright, everybody
Dang
in
it.
their positions.
Don't skip yet.
Positions.
Don't
They should
skip
be in
yet.
the living room.
I better see y'all later, boy.
We still have so much time.
Y'all better not sell me.
Come on, later.
Oh, my lighting's already up. Okay.
My
Yeah.
light is all. What's that cookies on the table? Oh, we have a cookie. Somebody's knocking in the closet.
They want
Zay, what you doing? Right here.
guns.
I can't. I tried to open it, didn't want to open.
Oh my god. Really, bro?
You got top on the door.
Tell me if I see that dude. I'm not gonna look outside because you can't really see outside, so I'm just gonna be looking at Navy. I'm gonna be. What was that? They back up from that door. He gonna come from the front door, right?
We got to 5 to 6 a.m.
They back up from that door.
Somebody go outside and give me some more. Dude, bruh.
What happened?
No, I don't, right?
No.
Bruh, I just died.
What? They do still have that wood in return.
Oh my, but y'all selling me
You
so
can put it
hard.
back down over here. Put up.
Yeah, what you did with that wardrobe, it killed me. So now I'm dead. I don't have nobody to flash.
Oh no, I'm dead.
How did he open it?
Then you open the door.
I closed
Spammed it. That's what this ugly monster. Look at him.
So, what else replaces?
Me? I call wardrobe.
Then you do
I'm the best at computer. I ain't gonna lie.
freaking boogie.
But Zay, you kinda you killed me with that stupid wardrobe. Anyways, guys, discussing the match.
No, if you're the best at computer, stay on computer. Me and Zay go switch places.
No, but like I don't wanna die again because
I'm not even bad at wardrobe.
for some reason I take more damage than y'all. It take most of my health. Let's see if I got any I got a hat, glasses.
Come on, y'all, we have to go on the thing.
I put in my new
Come
glasses.
get in.
Put in my new glasses. Oh, yeah.
Because you was taking all this show you. And you did my new glasses.
Of course.
Ooh. Me and Zay.
You say to me?
No. I'm talking to Ryan.
But
Me and Zay. Wait, hold up. I got these Zay too. Zay, what face you have?
Turn.
But we all twins.
Yay, me and Zay twins. Oh, you guys see this too.
Alright, let's go.
I already had the face on. All I had to do was change my shirt. Dry come on.
Let me change my shirt to blue. Let's go.
Yeah, we triplets.
Yay.
Hello. You should go up. Stop.
Oh yes, locking. Hey, unicorn out of here, Divvy. Be the unicorn alone. Unicorn. Wanna be a unicorn.
If y'all skip, we gon' fight.
Who gonna skip? Can't even skip anyways. Y'all better not sell me.
Y'all with the drinks.
Alright, so they
Don't
gotta
turn the TV on yet.
y'all they gotta drink by the Christmas tree. So you gotta drink by the Christmas tree. Cause they swear if you take that drink. I need the most cause when I'm on cameras I take the most damage. It put me on red as soon as something happens. Oh my.
I don't even have a drink.
Well now if I die y'all both cooked. And I didn't even know we could jump. Well we can only jump on some.
And I just
You could only use it one time.
I can only fly.
Who starts the freaking TV?
me, cause I need to put it on to sleep.
Really, bro?
Okay. Alright, nobody skip. I need to go get more fire. There's literally no.
Why you turn?
I ain't gonna lie. We did this so many times and we lost so many times.
We got more. It was last time when we was Isaac. We was close to somebody to succeed him.
Maybe that's when we was playing that.
But that's
Keep on the lights.
Give me.
I'm only skipping because I'm gonna finish whatever I was doing.
The heat.
Can everybody get a wood and put it in the inventory?
Already have it in the inventory.
Oh wait, yeah, I forgot I was doing my wardrobe.
I guess I'll get some wood in my inventory.
They doing the fire and then you better not mess it up like last time. As soon as the fire don't reach be small, then you have to put a fire in.
Alright, so everybody got some in the inventory, right?
No.
Yeah.
So let me get some wood in the inventory now. Cause we gotta do everything to survive this night.
I have to get one put in on the thing, and I have to get one to do mine.
Guess I'm standing right here behind the tree.
Oh, don't skip.
I need one more wood, and then I'm gonna get one for myself.
Oh, my jump button's broken. Oh my
Ashley.
god.
Yeah, mine was
I can't jump no more, guys.
Yeah, we need one more in storage.
Yep, all buttons. But
Let me just put this one in storage. Alright, now let me go get one in my inventory again. Because for some reason I didn't get 3. Nobody skipped.
I'm trying. I was about to go and get the last word to go on the inventory thing, and you just put your.
You mean the storage?
Yes.
John, me and you legs broken, so we can't jump rope.
Yeah.
All we can do is walk.
What you think? See?
No, like,
Yeah, all I do is jump one time and I can't jump no more.
I tried to jump behind the tree and all my legs broken.
I can't even jump in the tub, so I can fly.
If you jumped in the tub, you would be stuck there forever.
Exactly.
Well, you would be the least one to die.
the
Then.
lights on.
Come on, y'all.
You should have been told me
Nobody even skips them. Alright, Zay, you better not mess us up with the fire.
You got yourself a dojo. I don't want to die. I think we should play Go on Me.
Second on my room. Well cooked. How much? The most damage.
Oh my god. I'm sorry.
God dang!
John, close your closet.
I can't. I'm literally on camera, so I'm not trying to get charged to death.
Oh, sorry, close now.
He only come from the front door. Am I right?
Who?
The
Why is the... Oh, I thought the door was open.
big dude. Maybe stay away from the door because you will be closer to death if you stay by the door. Cause as soon as you burst down, we'll click it. Get away from the door.
Bro, which one was it? I swear this dude spawned into the room with Jemiah one more time. We gonna fight.
Please get away from the door.
I'm away from the door.
You keep going.
Cause I'm trying to check each.
Yeah, you can check it, but I don't want you to.
Y'all be walking this
Flashed, little bro. That use our lives. Yeah, he went straight for you too.
He was walking outside. That's what I say, y'all.
He teleported right here. He was right by the wardrobe.
Switch.
Okay.
That's why I said stay away from the door because he. I'm about to die, bro. She just died.
No, I didn't.
Run. Yep. Flash. Did you die?
I don't think he did.
Permanently blinded.
What do you mean you put?
I can't see. I feel like I'm trying to stick my eyes out.
So I flashed.
Is it wearing?
He took my eyes out.
No, I
I'm
flashed
stuck in
you.
a rope. My eyes.
Oh, Nivea, I thought you died.
No. Chill out.
You jacked my shoes. The fuck would you got?
No, you're
Oh, I'm dead.
Tell me if. Bro, I'm literally about to die.
I'm not dead.
So now I know.
I'm never gonna die.
What was that? What was that?
Come on.
Come by the thing.
I was running towards you and a stupid dude called me.
Ain't go crappy. I'm blinded.
Flash low, bro. If you just read about me, I ain't gonna lie.
Zay, you in the abyss. You not even blinded.
I'm
I
dead.
hate dead.
So you dead.
Oh, I see you now.
I'm gonna die from internal cold.
We stuck in this box. Oh wait. Yeah, we stuck in the box.
Yeah.
I'm gonna die from internal cold.
So we forgot what. Oh, so you're right? I saw him right. He took my eyes out and I'm dead.
I'm about to freeze to death.
Jemiah, I was doing the fire play,
I was
and you
freezing
didn't
that.
flash him. Look at your serial against time. You didn't flash him and then he killed me, so you gonna freeze his guy.
Bruh, not before you didn't run by me.
Y'all don't want to play this no more.
I died from internal cold.
You know what the bass is? I mean, with the guy in the bass.
Oh yeah.
So who gonna get the baby?
Me. Well, actually,
I'm
What?
closing windows.
who gonna get the wood? Wait, yeah, who gonna get the wood?
What you talking about?
I'm getting the windows, so make sure you're not getting.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna be taking care of baby. That little tiny baby.
Well, that monster literally said, "Take my eyes out."
Ooh, and next we should play Trespass after that.
Bet.
And then we'll play that. Don't let her in the door. A whole garden. This game is meant for 4 players. But we going on 3, so
But again, we're gonna end it here. Next video we're gonna be playing Don't Let Her In. See you next time, guys. Peace.